Hello, my name is Christian Toeller, and I'm going to teach you about vacuoles. Unfortunately, my buddy Darryl Saylor can't be here to help me, but here's the types of vacuoles. Vacuoles are a major part of any cell. They are membrane-bound organelles that remove harmful materials. They can be found in animal cells, plant cells, bacteria, and fungi. The vacuole plays a very important role in all these living things. Vacuoles in animal cells. Vacuoles in animal cells play an important role. The vacuoles in animal cells are typically smaller than those in plant cells. Even though the vacuoles are smaller in the animal cell, they are larger in number compared to plant cells. That's because they are more densely packed in, because since they're smaller, they have more area to move around in, so they have more. Functions of animal cell vacuole. The vacuole in animal cells removes and contains proteins and lipids, which is known as exocytosis. The vacuole also absorbs things in the process known as endocytosis. Exocytosis is the removal of lipids and proteins, in which the vacuole becomes a storage unit. Endocytosis is when the cell absorbs materials and are stored in the vacuoles. Here's a quick little diagram of an animal cell vacuole. It's the cross section of the animal cell. You can see the lysosome, cytoplasm, nucleus, and all that, but the main part is in the bottom left, that small little vacuole that you see right next to the mitochondria. That's what we're looking at right now. Vacuoles and fungal cells. Vacuoles are not commonly found in fungi, but are in some different types. An example of fungi are like mushrooms, if you don't know what fungi is. These vacuoles are extremely similar to those of plant cells. The vacuoles are usually found in yeast, like fungi. Functions of fungal vacuoles. Vacuoles in fungi are dynamic. This means that they are undergoing fusion and fission. These reactions allow the vacuoles to change their size. The vacuoles also act as pipelines, so that proteins can be moved in and out of the fungal cell. The fungal cell vacuole. Here's an actual picture of the fungal cell. It may not look a lot like the plant cells, but they actually are very much alike in plant, like the parts of it. Vacuoles in bacteria cells. The vacuoles in bacteria cells are very rare, but are found vacuoles in cells in some sulfur bacteria. Yep, very, very rare. Like the rare reed. The vacuoles are very large in bacteria cells and can make up to 40 to 90% of the cell. The vacuole is so large because the cytosol is very small. Functions of bacteria cell vacuoles. The vacuoles in bacteria are storage compartments for nitrate ions. The vacuole in bacteria is known as the gas vacuole. This special type of vacuole helps maintain the buoyancy of the bacteria. Here's a diagram upcoming. It's not going to be up for very long, but it's the bacteria cell, and you'll see the stages of it. Here's the bacteria cell vacuole. As you can see, the entry, the cell cytosol, plasma membrane. The vacuoles in plant cells. The plant cell vacuole plays a major role in the survival of the plant. Most plant cells have one large vacuole. This vacuole takes up about 30% of the cell, almost 1/3. The vacuole also gives the stem of the plant its ability to stand straight and not wither. And now you know, if a plant ever goes limp and the flower starts to die, that's because the vacuole is also beginning to die. Functions of plant cell vacuoles. The plant cell vacuole isolates and removes harmful substances that are threatening or harming the cell. The vacuole also transports protons from the cytosol. The most important function of the vacuole is maintaining pressure in the cell wall. It also controls the amount of water going in and out of the cell. And we have one more diagram upcoming of the plant cell. Here's the plant cell, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the little subscribe button up in the top left. Thank you.